Yale door alarms often trigger falsely due to three main reasons. Door contact misalignment occurs when the sensor on the door frame doesn't perfectly align with the sensor on the door, causing intermittent contact. Low batteries below 1.2 volts per battery can lead to erratic sensor readings. Finally, connectivity problems between the Yale hub and your Wi-Fi can cause alarm loops. We will address all of these common issues in the next section. First, check door contact alignment. The sensor gap should be between 1/16 and 1/8 inch. Loosen the sensor screws, reposition it until the lock app confirms aligned status, and then retighten. Next, replace all four AA batteries simultaneously using either 1.5 volts alkaline or lithium batteries. Lithium is recommended for cold climates. Monitor battery levels in the Yale app. Finally, if the hub is the issue, try a soft reset via the app. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by pressing the reset button on the hub for 10 seconds. Then repair your devices.